Hi everybody, this is a different angle today. I went to Italian Village today, down here near my house. I haven't been there in years. So I got a pizza because I can't cook today because I'm busy doing other stuff and fighting with a couple of people here on TikTok. Pero, gracias a todos. Mira, o sea, chili flakes or pepper flakes, whatever you call it. I don't care. No importa. Es lo mismo. La gente se estresa for nothing. So, and Parmesan cheese, mira. And garlic, and no, this is garlic, me caso en nada. Anyway, no importa. Look. So, I went and got me some pizza. Porque hoy no se cocina. Good pizza. I wish I had a cheese pull. Está buena. Está bien buena. I've had better, but this is good. It's called Italian Village. And chicken, the chili flake, a chili pepper. My dog is barking because they smell the pizza. They're fine, okay? Anyway, eso es lo que hay. Eso es lo que trajo el barco. Blessings, everybody. Love you all.